So part number 5, and it says summary of the laws. Purpose for which kindling is permitted. It is permitted to light a fire for the purpose of preparing food, as well for any other Yom Tov needs, such as providing illumination or heat. So 3 purposes, right? I mean, basics. Of course, this smoking is also. But okay, so the main one is for cooking, providing heat, and illumination. Okay, no problem. Next one, kindling not for Yom Tov needs is prohibited. I'm not sure what would be not. Okay, all other kindlings were prohibited. Let's put it this way. Continue. Creating new flame. The sages forbade creating a flame on Yom Tov where none previously existed. For example, by striking a match, one may only light something from pre-existing fire. So very, very important, like to be prepared for Yom Tov and have some pre-existing fire. You have a candle, you have gas burning, you have a pilot in your stove, whatever you have, but you have to have a plan. So even though you're allowed to use this pilot flame to start your oven, like not oven, but what is it? The cooking tub. There is no problem, or right, but you have to plan like in advance. Continue. Lighting a stove or oven that has a pilot light which burns constantly is permitted. Lighting one that ignited electronic is forbidden. Okay, so electronic is always prohibited manually. So, but if it's done like automatically through the timer, that's a different story. So because you're not doing it manually. Okay, that's why for lights, air conditioner, heat, I think everybody would agree. So there are some opinions, as we said, that do not agree with a hot plate. Okay, so but many agree to turn off. That's already good, especially on Shabbos. Like right, so I mean, well, why do you need for the next 8 hours, 7 hours? Okay, so continue. 1 second. Lighting the match from a flame of a candle opposed to the heat of the candle is permitted. So that's very, very important point, and I actually completely forgot about it. Right, so it's heat of the flame. It's like next to the flame, and it's going to go on in fire. But you have to light it from flame, so you have to stick this match like directly into the flame. Okay. Lighting the match by touching the red hot electric coil is permitted. As we said, it's exactly as fire. Permitted. Enlarging the flame, or prolonging its fire is permitted. Okay, so meaning make it bigger, enlarge it, or you put oil into your lamp. No problem. Continue. Next one. Lighting through the intermediary. When lighting something from the existing flame, one should not transfer the flame through the unnecessary intermediary. So meaning if you can do without intermediate, do it. But if not, not. But should, when possible, light the object directly from original flame. So as I said, like except that this Havdalah candle, all other cases I think we do it from intermediary, because when they use this Yortzat candle, it's deep inside. The flame is deep inside. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Why the candles were intermediate? Continue. Non-Jew. In case of the need, it is permitted to ask a non-Jew to create new fires, such as strike a match. Okay, so and we can ask him in a straightforward manner if needed. Okay. So of course, as we said, only for Yom Tov needs.